Good morning. Good. Hey, it's Faye. It's not morning. It's actually nighttime. Okay, yeah. So by the title of this video, you guys can tell that I am going to be doing another Cooking with Faye. Welcome to my cooking show.
I'm a born singer.
International playboy.
Anyway, today we are attempting the most famous K-pop idol dish you can name. Everyone knows this. It is the TUAN'S. What is it called? Dish? TUAN'S dish? Long story short, I'm gonna go buy the ingredients. So let's head to the store now. I'm sorry, but you know what's annoying? The fact that I had to order the specific noodles. Is it called spaghetti? The specific ramen that Mark uses. I say Mark like I know him. I bought this for $20. Two of these for $20. One was 10. What? So I spent $20, which could easily give me some gas. But now, like this video to sympathize with me. Thank you very much. Let's go to the store now. We're now in the cars. We're going to the store. I forgot that we need rice cake. Oh my god, what lipstick are you wearing today, Faye? It's a mixture of my lipstick, which you can get right now on Amazon. I'll go ahead and get it. Let's go. Dun dun dun. That's the section I need to be in, but I'm too scared. I'm scared. You go with me. I don't know which sausage is. The instinct? The small ones? You look so scared. The small ones. Isn't it the No, it looks like this. Should we? Yeah. Pre-packed sausage. Hot dog. Okay. Should we just get those little smokies? Yep. With cheddar? Yep. I mean, I guess. There's mozzarella up there, but apparently she said we got mozzarella at home. So then I just go to home and do the home. No, I just need mozzarella. Just get it. Can you grab it? Just get it. It doesn't matter. I already spent $20 on 2 packs of ramen. I could pass this. Okay. We are on our next destination.
Where the north wind meets the sea. There's a river on the memory.
The Asian market.
You're really gonna take all of them?
It's like really good diet food. Where? Oh, can you get 2 just in case? I swear I'd be mad if the noodles were here. The noodles that I bought for $20. So we're going home now and I'm gonna get cooking. Let's go! So now that we're back, as I say we're cooking this, we're not really cooking it. It's just like a lot of microwave. So here are the ingredients that you need to accomplish this K-pop idol dish. I think when we eat this, we're gonna feel like spiritually connected to GOT7. Being part of the J-Bum's religion as head. What are they called? Voodoo. I'm here. So what you're gonna need, these 2. The rice cake packets. The booking, not me. Mozzarella sausages. This. Oh my god. They even gave us a spoon. They're like, oh my god, you dumb idiot. You paid $20 for our ramen that you can buy literally for like $1 a piece. You deserve a spoon. This was jacked up. How dare you jack it up? So now that we're back in action, I mean, everything is pretty easy. I mean, if you can't do this, then you're probably not a cooker like me, but anyone's a cooker, but not like me. According to Amino, credit to you, you want to boil the cup ramen and tteokbokki with hot water. I just microwave this. Can we just microwave it? So, oh my god, are you here? I know I have dishes, but just pretend it's not there. Now, if you will bring your attention over to the stove, I don't want to bring you guys close to the stove because I didn't clean today and I get really embarrassed. So now we're gonna wait for the water to boil and then we're just gonna chuck it into our ramen. So now with the rest of our oops. Oh my god. We're gonna microwave the sausages. Just want to take a plate and then the reflection. We're just gonna microwave. We're gonna microwave some sausages. Cut up the sausages. This is the package. There's a lot of liquid in here, so we just wanna make sure that there's no liquid in here. Get a few in there. 1, 2, 4. We're doing 7 to stand for GOT7. I got 7. Next. But it's going in. When I say a minute or so, we're guessing. As you see, water is boiling, so we can turn that off. And we're gonna get this ready now. Pour some water in this. And also, we need to cook this. Oh my god, that's all I forgot. What's going on? We need to prepare this before we prepare the noodles. So these are the rice cakes that we're using, and we're gonna microwave them so we can put them into our ramen as well. First you take this, and then you put it in. I don't think you're supposed to eat this, so let's not do that. And then, okay, the sauce has to go in. Is this the sauce? Yum, yum, yum. We're gonna fill it with water, and then we're gonna put the lid back on and microwave it for like 2 minutes. So let's do that. Whoops, that's a lot of water. Whoops, whoops. Stir it well. This looks so appetizing. Diggity dog. Maybe a minute or so was too long. You know, it's so funny. I always think that nothing will go wrong and it'll be fine. But check out the hot doggity dogs. Like literally, you can't do one thing, Faye. Like, which member is which? Okay, well. Oh my god. What? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. We did the wrong sauces. It's fine. Oh my god, what am I doing? I'm like assuming and doing my own thing right now. How did I mess this up? Oh my god. Did I just die? So here's a little update. What happened was I mixed all the sauces on the table, like the packaged sauces, accidentally put the ramen sauce into the tteokbokki. But it's okay because at the end of the day, we're gonna mix it all together anyway. After a mental breakdown for like 10 minutes, it's fine. How did I get this wrong? Like how? We're fine. So the next thing you wanna do is, we're gonna pour the boiling water into this cup to let it, you know. Yep, I am just gonna do this right here. Dangerously, but yes. Yes, we are. That was not enough water. This is interesting. How is... Just gonna back it up. Just back it up. And I didn't even cover the... Who are you? Where's my phone? What? Dry. My tripod just broke apart. Nothing else can go wrong, right? Given that we're all peaceful right now, we're just gonna wait for our noodles to just kind of like soften up in its cup, and then we're gonna pour the water out, and we're just gonna keep mixing the sauces because we messed up. So yeah, it's fine. It's fine. So there's this little flip right here that you can drain out the water. So that's what we're gonna do. Perfect, one thing went right today. Okay, now that the noodles are drained and it looks a little bit like this, we can put the tteokbokki sauce that was supposed to go in here, but we put it into. So yeah. At the end of the day, who's eating this? I am. So you can't judge me. The tteokbokki into the noodles. So pour all that in. So now that you have that mixture, the concoction, you're gonna put the seasoning of the ramen into, because I totally forgot that. So we're just gonna put everything into one, along with the seasonings. Well, that was dried corn. Shouldn't have done that, but it's fine. And you're gonna mix it all up. It actually smells super good though, I'm not gonna lie. My mouth is watering a little bit. Ooh, it smells really good. I wanna infuse the sauce into the, ow! Yes. We're gonna put in all these sausages, but we're gonna cut them up because they're all dry and crinkly right now. It's embarrassing, but who cares? I'm hungry. I have not eaten all day. Add as much cheese as you want. A good chunk of cheese on top. Not a lot of cheese, that's a lot of cheese. Okay, that's enough cheese. I covered like the whole top. And then we're gonna stick it in the microwave. Oh my god. It looks beautiful. This looks amazing. Okay. Use a new fork. Use that on fork. Oh my god. Yes. Oh my galore. Beautiful. Oh my god. You can see the tteokbokki in here. You can see the pieces of sausages in here. Not really right there. Cheese smells so good. Okay, time to eat. Let's eat. I am so excited. Okay, I'm just going for it. Wow, so good. I think the ramen itself is good. That is so good. Sausage, a little bit of the rice cake, cheese. Oh my god, how many calories? Who cares? It tastes a little bit more sweet, and then with the cheese, it like balances out a bit because it is a bit sweeter. It's not spicy at all. I guess it depends on what kind of like rice cake ingredients you get that comes in the cup. Bro, oh my god. It is so ugly. It's like sweet. I feel like a lot of Korean stuff is sweet. Oh my god. The sausage I have is a little bit salty, so it balances out pretty well. Look how much you get. There's so much noodle. Hot. Hot. And water. I have a hole in my mouth. I'm so full. Literally freaked out for no reason. I tend to do that when I don't follow the directions. Okay, I'm almost done, but this isn't good. This is not good. I ate too much. I feel sick. How do people do mukbang? I don't feel good. I don't feel good at all. I mean, it was good though. I guess that is it for my take on the Mark Twan's dish. I've always been so curious to like taste the actual like ramen to see like if it's that good or whatnot. So I was like, oh yeah, this is so overhyped, but it is super good. I'll link it down below if you want to spend gas money on that. So I honestly would give it a 10 out of 10. I think it was delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Cooking with Faye, the cooking show. If you guys enjoyed, then make sure you like this video to let me know to do more cooking videos. I kind of want to try the IU diet, but I know that's dangerous, so we will see. Don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell. Until next time, I'm sending love. Bye! I have a confession. Ugh, my stomach hurts after eating that. My stomach is just feeling queasy. I'm feeling like I need the toilet, but then when I go to the toilet, like nothing's going out. But like nonetheless, tastes amazing. It's great, but like I feel weak. Just wanted to give the update. I think I'm just in a coma. I don't feel too good. Coma. I need a clench in my gas kind of coma. Was it the cheese? I don't know.